Now let's take a look at the Indonesian stock market today on Wednesday. The Indonesian composite index was down by 0.39%. For the full report and analysis, let's turn to Jessica Wulandari reporting from the Indonesian Stock Exchange.
Jakarta Composite Index closed 0.3% lower today as the U.S. Consumer Price Index, which measures a broad basket of common goods and services, rose 0.5% in January, which translated to an annual gain of 6.4%. It was the seventh month in a row that inflation has fallen after hitting a 40-year high of 9.1% last June. But it further raised expectations that the U.S. Federal Reserve will continue to raise interest rates to curb inflation. These measures have included 8 interest rate hikes since March 2022. Many investors have been concerned about the pace of rate hikes and the prospects of rates remaining elevated for longer as they fear this will cause the U.S. economy to contract. A series of Fed officials have indicated that future rate decisions will depend on economic data. Central bank officials are due to make remarks on Wednesday, which investors will be scanning for fresh hints about the Fed's monetary policy and expectations for the economy. Investors also waiting to Bank Indonesia's interest rate policy announcement. Market expected BI would increase the interest rates one more time by 25 basis points in this February period. While Indonesia's trade surplus surged to 3.87 billion USD in January 2023, beating market expectations of a gain of 3.35 billion USD as exports grew much faster than imports. Rupiah and gold price were down today, which Rupiah dropped 0.3% to 15,200, while gold price decreased 0.99% due to U.S. Treasury yields rose as investors digest the latest Consumer Price Index report and assess the Federal Reserve tightening path. The 10-year Treasury yield rose 3.4 basis points, while the yield on the 2-year Treasury climbed 8.1 basis points. And oil prices also dropped. WTI was down 1.5% and Brent sank 1.3%. Next, the top losers of the day were Batavia Properindo Trans, Widodo Makmur Unggas, and Guna Timur Raya. Meanwhile, the top gainers of the day were Kusuma Kemindo Sentosa, Trisula International, and Esta Multi Usaha. And tomorrow, index expected in the range of 6,803 until 6,950, while Rupiah will be moved between 15,100 until 15,300. I am Jessica, reporting for MGN.